What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Marshmallow from If. Let's start on the center left side of the page and draw a large circle for the left eye. We're going to start from the very top. We're going to go all the way around towards the bottom and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we want to move over towards the right side and step down and draw that same size circle. So right here, going all the way around and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's add in the pupils, starting with the left eye along the top. Draw a smaller circle going all the way around and then up. Now over on the right side, we're going to step in, draw that same size circle. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to go in between the eyes, step down and add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move out and draw the side of the body. We're going to line up with the top of the left eye, step out, start with a straight line coming down, and we're just going to bend that out. Let's line this up over on the right, coming straight down, and we'll bend that out. Now let's add a drip across the arms. We'll start from the top left, going all the way around, and then in. I'm going to stick the arms in underneath that drip. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this down and then out towards the elbow. And the same thing on the right. And from here, bend the arms, coming down and then in towards the wrist. Let's add in the thumb, bend this up and in, flatten off the ends, and follow that same curve going back out. Now let's add that finger, going down and in, flatten off the ends. And I want to follow this curve going out and then up towards the elbow, to right about there. Now we're going to add a point across the elbow, coming down and out, flatten off the end. Now I want to taper the arm so it gets wider as we go up and then in underneath that drip. Let's follow this line underneath the arm, come straight down towards the bottom of the body on both sides. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to round out the body on the corner, come down in the middle, and pull that up on the right. Now we're going to go all the way back up and add a drip across the top of the head. Let's start back on the left. We're going to come in and up, come down in the middle. Let's add a couple bumps coming down, just working our way across towards the right side, adding these drips. Let's add a couple spots along the top. Now I want to close off the top of the head. On the left side, I'm going to step down. It's going to curve that drip going around, up towards the top, round this out, go across the top of the head with a bend, going across towards the right, down the side, and then tuck that in. Let's add a few more spots along the top. Now we're going to add that large flame on top of the head. Let's start on the left side. Start by going up and in, and then bend that back out towards the left. Let's come across towards the right, come down, bend that up and out. Now I want to work our way back down towards the top right. I'm going to come down and out, and then bend that in. Now let's add the legs in underneath the body. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. Come in and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now the bottom half, we're just going to bend this out and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Now from here, it's going to taper this up towards the outside of the knee, taper that up underneath the body, And we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Marshmallow from If. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.